In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by copying or cutting any text. Then launch your keyboard and to paste your text right away, click on it at the top of it. If you want to paste it later on, but within an hour, click on this icon of a clipboard at the top of your keyboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold this pin at the top right corner, tap on your text and select Done. This way, your text will stay over here until you will delete it. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on pin icon next to the pin one, click on your text and select Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete or correct your text on the go, you can do it from Clipboard by using this icon at the bottom right corner. To go back to standard keyboard, use this icon at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!